Okay. The next one, problems on journal entries when separate set of books are maintained. Veena and Meena entered into a joint venture sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Veena contributed 60,000 and Meena 80,000. The amount contributed by them were deposited into a joint bank account. They bought goods for cash 1 lakh and Veena 40,000. They paid for carriage 7,000, rent 2,000, insurance 3,000, other expenses 4,000. They were sold goods 1,80,000, past the necessary journal entries. Okay, now we'll prepare journal entries in the books of Veena and Meena. The first one, see. Veena contributed. I mean those people deposited the cash for opening a joint bank account. So that and that time the entry will be joint bank account data to Veena account to Meena account. So Veena going to be deposited 60,000 and Meena 80,000. But total 1,40,000 deposited to the joint bank account. So being cash contributed by the co-venture. And next one. And see, from Veena they bought goods for cash rupees 1 lakh, so the entry will be joint venture account data to joint bank account. Being goods purchased for cash 1 lakh each, so entry joint venture account data to joint bank account. And 40,000 from Veena, so joint venture account data to Veena account. I mean being goods bought from Veena 40,000, and these are all the expenses paid. See, by joint venture, expenses paid, various expenses paid by the co-venture, so that through bank joint venture account data to joint bank account 16,000, and the asset will be sold in the joint bank the joint venture, so that entry will be joint bank account data to joint venture account, so 1,80,000. And here we need to know the whether company, I mean venture, going to be incur the profit or loss, so that the total 40,000 bought from Veena and 16,000 will be paid by the expenses, so 24,000 is the profit you are getting, that will be deposited to the joint bank account. And see, now to Veena's account sharing 3:2, so 24,000 into profit sharing ratio is 3:2, 3 divided by 5, 14,400 to Veena, 2 divided by 5, you are getting 9,600 to Meena's account. So entry will be joint bank account data to Veena's account to Meena's account. The next, final settlement transaction made in the company. So to Veena's account 14,400, Meena account 9,600, to the joint bank account is 24,000. I mean total settlement made. The next question, one more question. A, B and C entered into a joint venture of a contract and rupees 4 lakh is the construct price. 1,60,000, 80,000 and 80,000 were invested by A, B and C respectively. By joint bank account was opened. They purchased material for rupees 2,40,000. A paid consultation rupees fee 4,000, B paid other expenses 8,000 and C paid cement 16,000. The contract was duly carried out. All the transaction done through joint bank account. Pass the necessary entries. This is the question. See now, in the books of ABC journal entries, the first entry, ledger folio debit credit particular, this is the format to the journal entry. Now, any cash made transaction happened? Yes. To joint bank account data to individual co-ventures account. How much? A going to be deposited 1,60,000, B going to be 80,000, C going to be 80,000. The total is 3,20,000 that will be debited to the joint bank account. And next one, 2,40,000. The people purchase the material in the rupees 2,40,000. When the any goods are to be purchased in the joint venture activity, the entry will be joint venture account data to joint bank account 2,40,000. And expenses paid by the different ventures, joint venture account data to A's account, to B's account, to C's account. So 28,000, I mean A going to be 4,000, B 8,000, C 16,000, the total 28,000. The next one, any contract were realized? Yes, they made the contract for the rupees of 4 lakh, so that joint bank account data to joint venture account 4 lakh. See next one, if they, we need to know whether the company is going to be incur the profit or loss. See, joint venture account, I mean different partners account. See, total is 4 lakh, but they paid for two expenses 2,40,000, and along with that 28,000 other expenses. Now you are getting 1,32,000 profit. Remaining will be the profit again in the venture activity. So that profit sharing ratio is equally, so 1:1:1. To A's account 44,000, B's account 44,000, C's account 44,000. I mean profit should be transferred to the venture, so that to joint venture account data to individual co-ventures account. Now final settlement made in the venture activity is A going to be taken 2,08,000. How? I mean those getting capital 80,000 and 4,000 expenses and another 44,000 you are getting profit. So that total 2,08,000. Like that, B getting 1,32,000, C getting 1,40,000. That will be credited to the joint bank account 4,80,000. Thank you. We will see another question in the next class.